Alright, drowning my sores in more dollarama stuff, I picked up this foam haunted house kit the other day. Because it looked really cute. And it was Halloween themed, so how could I say no? So after reading the box, I popped everything out, and there's a lot of pieces to this. So I started with the base and the walls, and as you can see, the back and the front are two different colors. I took a small toothpick, in this case a paintbrush, and I popped out all my tiny little windows and holes. Now, as I moved further along into this, I've already run into a problem. Nothing's sticking together. There's no glue in the box, and it doesn't say require glue. And it doesn't say anywhere on the box except for in the directions to use glue if needed. So, busted out the hot glue gun, because no one got time for that. And did my best to try to assemble everything. Pros and cons. Lots of parts. Took a fair amount of time to put together. It entertained me for about an hour. The cons? You need glue. There is no way you're putting this thing together without glue. The pieces just don't fit that tight. Also, the image on the back that it tells you to follow, there's like 3 pictures. It's like the parts, halfway there, and then complete. The third image that's complete is not what you're getting in the box. Also, the image itself is not very clear, so the front step roof thing there, I had a really hard time with. And the window at the top didn't give me any direction, so I put one part on, then I had to take that off, put the other part on, and then I had to take that off again to put the screen in. So, whatever, I guess. Also, there's not as much detail as in the photo. In the photo, you can see things like a front step under the door, writing on the tombstone, and details on the window screens. What are those things that go next to a window? The window shutters. There was no details on any of that. Had to rip and tear a few things to make them fit, but we got there. And my vampire doesn't even have fangs. Oh, I'm insulted. I took some of the gray and sliced off the bottom of that to make my step. And after about 45 minutes to an hour, I was done. Overall, for $4, it was really cute. Minor complaints just with the details and stuff. Instructions definitely could have been better. Hey, Bobby Love. Could you sit so I can finish recording? Your toe tapping's making noise. Sit. 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 Good girl. But overall, it entertained me for an hour or two, and I thought it was pretty darn cute. They have 2 other model kits. One is another mansion, and the other one is a, what's the word? Treehouse. I probably wouldn't give those guys, but this one entertained me for a few hours. And happy Halloween!